It's going flat, it's buzzing out. We've got an issue. It doesn't sound like that awesome, amazing Strat. Is your Strat going flat? Kind of like your wallet after a trip to Guitar Center? Well, stick around. We'll help you figure that out. The next thing that we're going to check for is high frets. It's going flat, it's buzzing out. We've got an issue. It doesn't sound like that awesome, amazing Strat that you hear Jimi Hendrix play, or old slow hands. I do love me some birds. Well, the first way you can check that is by doing a quick chromatic scale. Do that all the way down the neck and listen for a buzz. If you got a buzz, take a quick note. All right, so the next part is, I think, the most important part, and that's checking for high frets. Go through and play each fret on the guitar to listen for a buzz. And then what we're gonna do is annotate, oh, hey, what string, what fret buzzed out? That way we can go through and check, okay, is it a high fret or is it another issue? Since we went ahead and slotted the nut appropriately, we got the neck nice and flat, it should not buzz out. If it does, you got a couple issues. One, possibly a high fret, or two, you could have a fret that has over time worked itself out of the fretboard. Let's go ahead and check for which one of those it is. Then, to confirm that, we're going to take our fret rocker. Once again, link below. You're going to take it, and I like to break it up into 3 sections. Place the fret rocker onto 3 frets, rock back and forth. And if it does rock, you know you got a high fret. Mark it. That way when you take your strings off to change them out, you can file it down a little bit. Let's take it over to the bench and get to work. Show you guys how I use the fret rocker. So what we're gonna do is, starting up at the nut, we're gonna use the long side of the fret rocker, and we're gonna rest it. And I like to break it up in thirds to where here's a lane, here's my lane. So in between the E and the A string is one lane. In between the D and the G string is a lane. And then in between the E and the B string is a lane. So we're gonna go through, rock back and forth, hence fret rocker. And wiggle it and see if we have any movement. All right, so we went through, rocked it. We didn't have any high fret once again. So we just confirmed what we did with the rough check by playing all the notes and making sure we didn't have any fret buzz. You're finally done. You got everything set up. Check the nut, you got the neck relief, you checked all your frets, no buzzing. You restrung it, you got your action perfect right where you want it. It's even annotated correctly. Then you went through and adjusted your tremolo to where you got just enough float in the back to give you that nice tone. To where when you play, you get that nice little tremolo feel. Thanks for swinging by. Me and Blake look forward to seeing you again. Say bye, Blake.